Hello, ChoroQ bus collectors. We have a Tokyo bus. Apparently, I took Google Translate, and it says that text means Toei, T-O-E-I bus. And then up here, this says Tokyo Metropolitan Transportation Bureau or something like that. So I did a search for toy bus, and these are the images that came up. And I do at least see green on this thing, so let's see if it matches up here. It's got a hard plastic shell, and then inside of it they still have a soft plastic wrapper. And then it looks like there's some stickers here, route number stickers. These I could use on my other buses, maybe. So we'll try to add some stickers today. Yeah, okay, so these will come in handy because it's just a blank spot. Let's see, this thing looks like it's older, so it's got a double round headlights. These look all modern, these buses. I guess I gotta look at how old this is. Oh, this says 1999 on it, on the bottom there. Alright, so let's just add 1999 to this search. Let's see what buses looked like around then. Well, sadly they're all the same, so I don't think I'm going to be able to find the bus with this livery. I'm just going to remove the toy bus and just leave it to Tokyo bus. No, they still have square headlights, so I'm not sure why. Well, alright, I tried, guys. That's enough, right? So let's see what else we have going on this little toy. We got a plate number. That's a cool license plate. Looks relatively realistic. This whole front end has molded details and paint apps going on. The headlights, these little fog lights, little air hatches. This must be like the Tokyo transportation system, maybe. Blue lights up here. That's interesting. And then turn signals are sticking out as well. On the side, we have a whole lot of molded details as well. The doors, the windows are all recessed. The windows even have tampo printing for the dividers. Standard 5-spoke wheels there. And then some printing here. Yeah, flat, just a bus. The license plate there. A recess again for the route. This side has no doors, but that makes sense. And then a whole bunch of protruding things for like air conditioning maybe, and some vents or escape hatches. Alright, let's get some of these stickers on here. So I guess we're going to make this bus number 15. And I have no idea what this text says. But I'm sure it's a really popular route that this kind of bus was running. Goes in this rectangle. The good old dental pick. It has good purpose. Yeah, that's relatively straight. Straight enough for me, at least. And then I gotta get that 15 out there. This one might be... Well, let me come back. Alright, I got the stickers on. I'm going to leave the wheels alone because they're cream colored, which is a little bit unique. I like how they match the rest of the body. So I actually thought I had this casting before, but it's a little bit different than the one I thought. Because, see, I have this with these boxes on the roof, but they're in a totally different location. And this doesn't have the molded details like this, the one we're reviewing. Then you have this old, I have no idea what it says on the bottom, but it says 01, 2001. I think it's just like a step bus or something. The sticker's kind of crooked on that one. That's the way it came. So, yeah, it does say city bus on it. Assuming that's a Tokyo bus. Then we got this one here. I like how this one has bus wheels. This one has stickers all over it as well. Road stickers, that's the way it came. But less molded details on the sides, at least. They're not as pronounced. And the last one, I guess, is this one. I think this is an airport shuttle bus. Very aerodynamic looking. Yeah. But again, it's got bus wheels, so that's kind of cool. I don't know why ChoroQ wouldn't just put bus wheels on all their buses. Running 5-spoke mags on a bus just seems a little weird. Alright, so you can see different molded tops and all that stuff. Alright, set this guy spans on. And today we'll see what Buzz Lightyear looks like. He's got that green scheme going. Yeah, it looks like Buzz could maybe fit in there, kinda. No, maybe not. It's a cartoon, whatever. Okay, well, that's today's bus video, and I'll get more buses as long as the casting is unique to my collection. Thanks for watching today. Bye.